So it's kind of funny because loud, like you do get to know you can ignore them even though they're swarming your face and your head and everything.
Oh, they wear you down.
They do.
What you eating, Shelby? Don't eat that.
No grass. No grass, Shelby. No grass.
Bye-bye.
No grass. Once you use because she throws it up. Yeah. Yeah.
But isn't that what they do?
Well, yeah, but I
But we don't want them to.
carpet, and then I have to shampoo the carpet at 3 o'clock in the morning, or something like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Oh, there's the end of the trail.
Well, that was short. Now we're at the end.
let's go, Lorena. Didn't we come on a trail?
Yeah.
And we weren't in the same group, were we?
I don't know. I thought we came together once to do
We
this
did,
thing.
and we went up the back way.
Yeah, I don't remember now. 'Cause the group I was with started there, and
Went across here.
I don't know. It seems like we sort of went across, but
Yeah, probably did. Don't eat that. Okay, let's go.
okay. So we're not sure this is the path, but we're gonna try it. There's a nice little guy there, the gnome.
Hey, Kevin, are you in Clifford?
Hey, Shelby, chill.
There you go, Shelby. Maybe Michelle, you're gonna go.
There.
You go find the path for us.
Root.
Either that, this goes up to the cabin.
There's another
No
no.
grass.
It's going left or right.
No. Let's try this. It looks a little more used, but it may just be to the cabin. We're looking for the path, but it seems to go to the cabin. But so did the road, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, maybe we'll go past. So we're still looking for the trail. We're walking along
Michelle.
somewhere near Pearl Creek, Fairbanks.
Good.
Is there?
Right, shut up, trail.
Oh, at the top. Yeah, okay. So looks somebody's camping in there, but there's a house too. So
So it looks like mine. It does.
is it? I don't think. I think we come away.
No.
Probably not, but
it's
just
in your
looks like.
house.
Oh, your tent. Okay, yeah. I was just
That'd be
thinking.
a small world.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be a small world. Look, it's our house.
Yeah, that would be beyond.
That would be funny.
Yeah. Yet another synchronicity.
It says non-motorized recreation trail. This looks promising. Hey, that sounds like us. Yay! We found it. Hey, you guys, we found the trail. Non-motorized recreation trail, it says.
What a lovely
Shelby, where are you going? Shelby.
Let's go, baby. Come on.
He's like, where are you going?
My puppy's friendly.
Hello, mark of the trail. When we found it.
Yeah, this looks better. Yeah, after spring break. Well, we might be there more Christmas time. If you were planning a getaway holiday or something. Spring break would be one chance. Christmas would be another chance. Yeah, hard to say. Might have to. I don't know. We haven't quite planned it. It took us a whole day to write up all the countries we thought we might visit just so we can get our travel consult with the doctor
Come on, baby.
for shots.
Amazing.
So
I just remember the 12-foot gable.
Come on, Shelby.
in the hotel in Florence.
Thank you.
what are you doing? I don't need my sunglasses now.
No doubt.
And San Marcos Square. And
Yeah.
they don't let you feed the pigeons anymore. There's a fine for that.
Really?
Yeah. I was just making
High or low, Lorena?
Let's go.
Go low.
It was bad.
Let's go.
Not sure
Michelle.
exactly though.
Come on. We're going low. We won't tell Michelle Obama. Come on.
Won't tell Obama. Michelle.
San Marino is one of those awful.
Yeah, we've got, so we ruled a few countries off our list because they didn't look very safe, and we added a
Which ones
few.
did you rule out?
Let's see.
I mean, it's not like they have
I'm trying to think.
It's an island, isn't it?
They didn't sound very interesting, like start with an M. Someplace over in, like, just north of Greece and Turkey, and they've got,
I love Venice.
Let's go.
they start with an M. I don't remember.
so
It's because I had, maybe
going,
Moldova, it wasn't Moldova.
you know, like
What was it?
No, I don't remember now, honestly.
Moldova, is that what you said?
No, I don't remember. Anyway, we only crossed a couple of them off our list. Though we kind of crossed Russia off our list because, first of all, they're really not that safe to travel to, and second of all,
Yeah.
some friends of mine were
they want you to send them your passport 2 months in advance,
Rome,
Yeah.
and then they send it back. But we thought if we could go to an embassy and show it to them and then drop by later
Yeah.
in our trip. But you know, they're so, I don't know.
Yeah.
panoramic.
I'm just not sure I want to.
Yeah, I know. I got an invitation to go to Russia by this girl who, a couch surfer who was, you know, she doesn't want to travel alone.
Yeah.
And she's Russian. But I don't know, even that, I was like, I don't know, you never know who really is on couch surfing. You know what I mean?
Well, yeah. I mean, it's probably okay these days, but it's really hard to tell.
Yeah.
And I just don't trust them.
Yep. Let's go. Okay, that's dog food. Don't step in that. Come on, Shell.
Then they bring you to the Arctic Ocean because you can't get there. You have to take
They do a security check on you first?
yes. They do. And, you know, marching.
Wait, there we go.
Knows, you know, protests and stuff.
Oh.
But it's nothing big enough for
All
them.
right, baby.
So,
No.
yeah, I suppose if I
Sorry.
Always the wrong way. You injured that fireweed.
I think it almost injured
Oh, is
me.
that what that is? Fireweed?
Oh, yeah, which one? Where is it?
The leafy,
Is it this one,
like,
or-
feathery thing?
Oh,
Is
point
it-
out.
We're looking for fireweed.
Oh.
That's fireweed.
It's usually that purpley thing. I have no idea.
So how are
When
you
they
holding
drill
that anyway?
I'm
everywhere.
doing
fine
all
now
right?
that we've
Now that we're
kinda
level?
leveled off.
Yeah,
What
see,
is-
it sort of levels
Any
out.
idea
and
what
then-
these are?
What?
Okay.
Those?
What?
Those bluebells.
I mean, they're not
Oh,
little
those.
pine tree
Oh, they
babies.
call
they're
that,
not.
well, in Toke they call that snake grass.
Snake grass.
Snake grass.
Because
And I
it gets
don't know
everywhere.
why they call it that.
And it
Maybe
dies
it hides
every year and
snakes
then grows
really
up
well.
But when
every
it's in the
spring.
forest and that's all there is, it looks amazing. I took a picture of it last
Maybe
week.
maybe it looks like a snake moving because the wind blows it and it looks.
Maybe.
Does it?
Something, not really thinking about it. So we paid for.
No, guys. I'm taking a picture.
All right.
So she'd never been skiing, so we rented her skis, and she's one of those like long-legged tall girls.
Yeah,
So she had real trouble with balance.
I sounded like call girl.
Skis.
yeah.
And so we went to the baby hill, you know, and we learned,
Nope.
and then we're on like the
Ooh, you're making me mad
median
with all
trail,
of
which
that.
is like road,
Yeah.
and I'm
Yeah, it goes with the house. There's a house right there. Yeah. She's looking at this. There's a little tire swing. So
Oh, tire swing?
yeah. The mosquitoes found me. Look, here's another one. Here's a swing.
Oh, a trapeze. A trapeze.
intermediate.
Swing.
We never got, we never
Limber
got any
children,
speed up. We just sort of
probably.
walked down the whole thing, right? And we get
It's kind of a nice
all the way
little
down
place.
to the
I would love to live here in the summer.
lift up to the top.
On the
She
winter,
says, "I'm
like,
tired."
forget it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, well, I'll leave you here in the lodge,
No, sure.
right? And I'll go.
Good
I'll
girl.
do a fast ski so I can, you know, get my money's worth because it was like a $60 day, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And so I went down
Come here, baby.
nice and fast and did my down the moguls and down the final hill and chair lifted up and they closed. So that was my day. I got to walk down once and
That one. Twice.
then
Once backwards.
yeah.
Well, that's the problem with skiing, and then it's expensive, and
That's the
then
problem with skiing.
it's
You're
expensive.
just putting barriers up, aren't
I
you?
know. Well, I was poor when I was growing up. You know, I signed up once at the
Yeah.
Or
school.
in Utah, and you couldn't go skiing, so now you're just jealous.
And I'm just jealous. That's right.
Well, when I did it, I had a full-time job.
Was easy to afford stuff. I had a paper route.
Well, one of these, my favorite stories is I was skiing with this girl doing the ski on Sunday thing. She turned out to be the sister of my future girlfriend, but it didn't matter. We're just skiing together, just to be with somebody, right? It wasn't anything weird. And
Come on, baby.
I'm following her high speed down this, intermediate slope. And it's at Vernon Valley Great Gorge in Jersey.
Yeah.
And on the one side of Vernon Valley is a wide open area. All there is like chairlift.
Yeah, this isn't too bad of a trail.
No, it's a nice trail.
It's rather mild.
We're going like
If once you find it, that is.
Yeah.
Took a little while for that.
and I'm following her.
We could look on our phone and see if we know where we're going. We could. I think we'll run up to Belaine eventually, and then I think we walk back Belaine, or else, you know,
And then I hit them.
almost wonder if we could walk back one of these power lines and get back. But this doesn't look like it has a trail, so. Oh, but here's a road.
Come here, Shaw.
And we ended up in there. And we're just like,
Remember we talked about
Didn't we? We came off a